Here are the top 3 programming challenges for beginners to master. Building a calculator. Building a calculator is a great exercise for beginners to practice their programming skills. This involves creating a program that takes input from the user and performs basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Creating a guessing game. Another fun programming challenge for beginners is to create a guessing game. This game involves generating a random number and asking the user to guess it. The program should give the user clues if their guess is too high or too low until they guess the correct number. Creating a to-do list application. A to-do list application is a great way to learn about data structures, such as arrays and lists, as well as file handling. These programming challenges are simple yet effective ways to practice coding skills and build a foundation for more complex projects in the future.